Sometimes in the neck and sometimes headache, Mark?
Yeah.
When you get pain in the lower back, does it tend to affect one side more than the other?
Actually it's more here in the middle
Sort
part.
of like right across.
Yeah.
Does it refer to your legs at all?
Actually it does it.
No sciatic type of pain?
Nope.
No. But the lower back's been bothering for quite a while on and off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so just press deeply into the lower back, tell me if there's any discomfort. I'm just testing and challenging at the moment there. We've got a little adjustment there, I think. Okay, so here I can feel the right side of the spine moves quite well. When I go to the left, it's like quite tight through. You feel how it's more restricted on that side there, so you're not aligned as you should be through that area, and it's not moving as well. There's some joint fixation on that left side there. Just working up the spine. Like a lot of us, as we get older, you're getting a bit rounded through this middle of the back here.
Right.
And that's getting a bit sort of chronically tight through there. Just going to spring on that. Yeah, that's it. Good. Movement there, that's good. Come onto your side face this way, Mark. A little bit closer. That's the way. Good. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to traction the spine and feel this in the neck and further down the back. Breathe in. Ah. How's that? Can I see your smile?
Yeah.
See what we've got left in the neck there. I think got most of it out with the white movement. Most of it out. We'll just like this. We'll send that towards me. Good. I think we've got as much as we'll get out of it today.
Yeah.
We've got some good releases.